You know what the steepest roof that OSHA requires you not to have fall protection on?
It's a flat one. I'm gonna run over, top, across, all the way down, all the way back across, and then up to there. I'll just glue the last one there, tape off the end, right? And then we'll put a splice right here in the bottom corner.
Can you teach me how to not glue my fingers? Fingers away from hot areas.
I gotta wait for it to heat up.
It'll be okay. It's like a foot. Just like on these windows, you got to get your corners placed first, and then drop your sides down. Fixing to get the archway.
Yo. I'll need my old friend the A-frame though.
All right, Ryan. When we splice this window, are we gonna put 2 splices in here? 1. All right.
Yeah, that's what this is, right? This is your plug for the soffit.
Splice it down there too.
I always end each strand with a male because you can put a female right in the middle of this, so you don't need to cut it. You just run a straight line.
All right, so
That's the only part of the song I know.